We were in a situationship with Pluto. That's what happened. I get too many questions to this day. Do I think it's a planet? It's not a planet. What do I think? What's my opinion? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's look at the facts. Just like your last situationship. Was it really going somewhere? Is it really? Was it really, or were you being kind of delusional? Find Pluto, we say, oh, look, it's a planet. We have another planet. But then we started observing its behavior. You remember that part? Remember when you observed the behavior and you were like, wait a second, all of the planets orbit in the same plane in our solar system, but then you have Pluto, it's on this weird inclined orbit. What? Remember when they only never texted you back ever, but only when they wanted to? What? Is that what your other relationships look like? Wait a second, what's going on here? What's more, it orbits out in the Kuiper Belt where there's lots of other stuff. Wait, that's not what our other planet orbits look like. What's going on here? Tons of other trans-Neptunian, beyond the orbit of Neptune. You could also call them Kuiper Belt objects. Some of these things just as big as Pluto. They're all in the same vicinity. Oh no, it's messy out here. I'll try to say this nicely. I've been working on my empathy. I'm trying to be a better person. We had to come together as an astronomy community, and we had to stop and we had to reflect. What are the facts? Yes, it orbits the sun, and yes, it's massive enough to pull itself into a sphere under its own gravity. Relationship equivalent of the other person being a human and speaking to you sometimes. Great start, but it's probably going to take more. Never check that last box. Hindsight is 2020. Looking back, Pluto was never a planet. It never was. And that situationship was never going anywhere. We were all being delusional. Chin up. You're a superstar.